In medicine, we are standing at the edge of a new era. An era not defined by repair alone, but by regeneration. On November 19th, 2025, internationally renowned physician and researcher Professor Dr. Patrick Treacy releases a landmark new book, Q&A in Regenerative Medicine. Written in a clear and accessible question and answer format, this book unlocks the science shaping the future of healthcare, translating complex biology into practical, real-world understanding. From stem cell signaling and secretomes to exosomes, cellular senescence, photobiomodulation, senolytics, and AI-driven personalized medicine. Dr. Treacy distills over 3 decades of pioneering clinical experience into insights that clinicians, researchers, students, and informed readers can truly apply. Inside, readers explore advanced regenerative concepts alongside practical guidance for hair restoration, skin rejuvenation, soft tissue regeneration, wound healing, and biomodulatory therapies, including detailed clinical cases and Dr. Treacy's own internationally recognized techniques, such as the PLUS technique, a precursor to today's biologics-based rejuvenation. Long before regenerative medicine became mainstream, Professor Dr. Treacy helped lay its foundations. He introduced PRP, stem cell-based approaches, and red and near-infrared light therapy into clinical practice, shaping modern regenerative aesthetics and medicine. He is the creator of pioneering procedures including the Dublin lift, the Helpire technique, and the PLUS technique, methods that continue to influence global practice today. With over 150 scientific publications, numerous medical textbooks, and more than 10,000 doctors trained worldwide, his impact reaches far beyond the clinic. Q&A in Regenerative Medicine is more than a book. It is a guide to understanding how we heal, regenerate, and extend human health in the decades ahead. Available now on Amazon.